friends. So we have been learning about syllables. So for language arts today, this is going to be our exit ticket. So not this one in particular, it's going to be another card, but we are going to figure this one out together. So the question says, how many syllables? So you need to come over here and look at this picture. What could this picture be? Oh, it's a butterfly. Are you ready? Let's count out butterfly. So butterfly. So butterfly has 3 syllables. So I'm going to take this yellow dot and I'm going to move it over to the number 3. Just like that. So if it had 1, of course I would take the yellow dot and put it over the 1. If it had 2, I would do the same. But this one has 3. So when I'm done, I'm going to screenshot it and upload the picture of it to our Google Classroom. I hope you have a lot of fun with this interactive worksheet, and I hope that you learn a lot about syllables. So have fun, enjoy, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. All right, have a good night.